Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Spanish in 5.
Today, we're going to help you sound more confident in Spanish with some pronunciation basics.
Spanish pronunciation is actually quite regular, so once you learn a few rules, it becomes much easier.
Exactly. Let's start with the Spanish vowels.
Spanish has 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U.
And the great thing is, they always sound the same.
A sounds like A.
E sounds like E.
I sounds like E.
O sounds like O.
And U sounds like U.
Let's practice them together. Ready?
A, E, I, O, U.
Perfect. Now let's use those sounds in some words.
Casa, house.
Mesa, table.
Libro, book.
Vino, wine.
Uno, one.
Now, an important rule for consonants. The letter H is silent in Spanish.
That means we don't pronounce it at all. It's like it isn't there.
For example, hola, hotel.
Right. Next up, the letter J.
The J sounds like a strong H sound made from the back of your throat. It's the same sound the letter G makes before an E or an I.
For example, with J, jamón, ham.
And with G, gente, people.
Now for the famous R.
Right. So one R in the middle of a word is soft. It's a light tap of the tongue.
Like in pero, but.
But two R's together, the double R, are strong and rolled.
Perro, dog. Don't worry if the rolled R is difficult at first.
Totally. Many learners need time to get that sound right.
A good way to practice is with these sounds: tra, tre, tri, tro, tru.
Okay, let's put it all together and say a full sentence.
Hola, me llamo Maya. Soy de España.
Hola, me llamo Alex. Estoy en Holanda.
Now it's your turn. Try saying one of those sentences out loud.
Speaking out loud really helps your brain and your mouth learn the new sounds faster.
It really does. Okay, time for a mini quiz.
Simple question, which letter is silent in the word hola?
The H.
Great job.
In the next episode, we'll learn useful Spanish phrases for traveling.
Hasta pronto.